Well, hello good people. Today we have a nice treat in store for you. We're over here at Western Spirits. Let's take a look at it. Western Spirits. It has all kinds of Western objects from the Old West. Let's go inside and take a look. Got some totems here, Indian totems. We've got some belts, old advertising. Oh, this is interesting. One second. It's like an Indian weather vane, and got some knives here. There we've got one of those coat racks. If you want to make your house to a Western style place. All kinds of interesting things here. Small adobe house. Some Indian pictures of Indians. It could be from Edward Weston. He made pictures of Indians. Here we've got some belt buckles.
Are you ready? Attend an upcoming transfer and adult enrollment day at St. Joseph's College in Brooklyn. RSVP now at SJC.
Here we've got some slogans. Cowboys Logic. Cowboys Place. This is good. Cowboys Logic. Don't get over it. Cowboys Place. Oh. Got all kinds of posters. Here we've got some sheriff badges. Marshal. This is tribal police. A saddle. Some boots. Oh, some nice stuff up there. Welcome wagon. If you want to really get your house in a nice Western motif, this would be the place. Here's a lantern up there. That looks like a nice one. And here's a lantern. Buffalo Bill Cody's Wild West Show. Wanted, Samuel P. Smith, Smythe, Gentleman Bandit. Vintage boosts, one of a kind. Let's see what this is. Yeah, this is a. Oh, my finger's in the way. Like an old cast iron toy. And here's some old tin cans and things. It's the motif of Western matchbox across America. Oh, here's Will. I spoke to him before. Western Spirit, that's the postcard. It's that Cowgirl Heaven, buying antiques, Cowgirl's Palace. Here's Will. Oh, thanks for allowing me to photograph around here. Right, okay. Okay, so he's the one that said I can make a video over here. And, okay. So anyway, just another look around. Oh, there was something else. Oh, this is, I saw before here. This is nice. Very interesting. A lot of these lobby cards. John Wayne. Tom Mix. And his horse Tony, King Cowboy. Idaho, whoa. We've got some nice country music. So if you want some lobby cards of a Western motif, this is the place to come. Okay, thanks a lot. We'll see you again soon. Take care.